Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can go to your incognito mode on Google Chrome. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to open your incognito mode on Google Chrome, it's actually so easy. So to do that, first, I want you to tap the three dots at the top right corner. And after tapping it, you will now be able to see the new incognito tab option right here. So just tap it to open your incognito mode. And after that, your incognito mode will now be open, so you can now start browsing with more privacy and security. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.